All right, let's talk about LLC versus S-Corp. One of the most misunderstood topics in small business. Right up there with my cousin said I can write off my dog. Okay, first thing first. An LLC is a legal structure with the state that you're in. An S-Corp is a tax election. Electing to be taxed as an S-Corp does not affect how you stand as an LLC with your state. So let me say that again. You don't become an S-Corp, you elect to be taxed as one. Most business owners start as an LLC. Why? Because it's simple, it's flexible, and it doesn't require you to wear a suit or have a board meeting with yourself. An LLC gives you legal protection, simple setup, and your income, your profit, your expenses are all reported as a Schedule C on your personal tax return. Sounds great, right? That is until your business starts making real money and self-employment taxes start kicking you in the butt. So then we start talking about S-Corp. An S-Corp can help reduce self-employment taxes. But, and this is a big but, only when it makes financial sense. So with an S-Corp, you must pay yourself a fair and reasonable salary. You must run payroll, yes, real payroll, and you must file a business tax return for your business. And you will get more IRS attention if things are not done correctly. So you really have to play by the rules. It's not a set it and forget it situation. The biggest mistake that we see is that business owners elect S-Corp way too early because some TikTok video told them that they should and they'd save thousands. Spoiler alert, if you are not consistently profitable, an S-Corp can actually cost you more because you have payroll fees, accounting fees, compliance headaches, all the extra stuff. So when does it make sense? Typically when you are making at least $75,000 a year of profit, not revenue, profit. Your bookkeeping is clean and you're ready to run your business like a business, not like a side hustle, not like a hobby. This is why we don't give blanket advice that says everyone should be an S-Corp, because the right structure and the right answer depends on your profit, your goals, your tax strategy, and whether or not you want peace of mind or chaos. So bottom line, an LLC is a starting point, but an S-Corp, electing S-Corp can be a powerful tax strategy when done at the right time for the right reasons. If you're not sure which one you should do, I wouldn't start with Google and I wouldn't start with TikTok. You want to have a tax planning conversation. If you want help figuring out which one actually makes sense for your business, book a discovery meeting with me. This is part of what we do when we talk about year-round CPA advisory. We want you to know how to do it, when to do it, and how to do it right. And no, you still can't write off your dog as a tax write-off. Have a great New Year's, guys.